everybody, it is April 28th, it is Saturday and it is gorgeous, and tomorrow it is going to rain, so I need to get in the hive today. This is going to be my first full hive check since, gosh, fall, and the dandelions are blooming and Mother's Day is just a couple weeks away, so that means swarm season is coming. So today I'm going to be looking for my queen like always and looking for signs of swarming, which means new queen cells on the bottom of the frames, so I'll be checking for that. And I'll just be probably doing some frame reorganization too, to encourage the bees to stay. I don't want them to swarm. Swarming is when the hive is doing very well and it wants to repopulate and half of the hive takes off to start a new colony. When that happens, your honey production slows down, everything kind of slows down. So I'm going to do some swarm prevention hopefully today, and yeah, just check them and see how they're doing. But they look to be very active, as you can see. I'm also going to be removing some of this foam here. We've been having warmer nights, so yes. Alright. A few puffs of smoke so they know I'm here. So under here I've noticed a lot of wax. So the girls are getting into their honey stores. So let's take this apart. Gave them a little syrup a couple days ago. There's still syrup in there, so they're doing all right. I'm going to give them a little bit more smoke. Smoker. Actually, before I do that, take all this foam off. All right, let's take this apart. So last time I put this in here, I pyramided this a bit, and I staggered some empty frames in here, just some foundation in here, just to give them a little bit more room. So I think I'm also going to add an empty super on top of this, give them more space. So I'm going to take this box off. See what it looks like underneath. See the little ants, that's not good. Spray for that. Not spray, but treat for that. Up. Okay, so no queen cups. That's good. Comb, which I'm going to remove. Last time in my burr comb I found 5 mites, so it's a good time to remove drone comb as kind of a preemptive mite prevention. So there's just a tiny bit of sugar. Good bee numbers, bees on all frames. Gonna puff them with a little smoke. Just gonna look real quick underneath. This is the first time I've been in below this level all year. So let's look underneath here, see if we have any signs of queen cells. Oh, I see some queen cups down here, swarm cups. Empty, 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 some burr. Okay, so 2 queen cups, they are empty. No pupas, no eggs, no, what's it called either, so that's good. So, I'm going to scrape off some of this burr comb here. I see some drones, but no mites yet. Move this down. This is pretty heavy. Go down here. Scrape off this piece is all drone comb. Don't see, I mean these are drones. Don't see any mites, that's good. Clear that off. And what's going on in this one? So, see a good amount of bees. They're all capped right there, so that's good. This feels pretty heavy too. Let's see if there's any signs of queen cups on this one. Oh, yep. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. Mike Palmer came over And he does this technique. You lift this up and you can see what's going on underneath the frames. Now, this is where they'll have queen cups. So yes, indeed, I do see queen cups, but again, they're empty. I have 1, 2, 3, all of them are empty. Cluster here, empty. Take a look what's going down here. So I see a lot of ants. Let's see if I see any. You see what I'm doing here? Okay. Let's drone over that here. This is a good time to see if you see any mites. The mites prefer the drone developing pupa as opposed to the workers because they take longer to develop. So scrape all that out of there. So I still see honey down here. Honey down here. Great. I still see a couple frames of honey. And yeah, let's check the next layer. See how we're doing. Now, what's going on here? So, I see honey. Honey. I don't see any queen cups. No comb, which I'll scrape off. No swarm cells. This one feels lighter. Look to be more concentrated down on this side of the hive. There are bees in here as well. So, let's look down here. So the ants are a problem. I'm going to have to work on that. Let's see what's going on down here. Ants. Definitely have ants, but no swarm cells. Good. It's a good time to clean off my board here. This is my clean this off. See if I have any mite fallout. I do see some mites. One hive beetle. Clean the board off. So, my tray, lots of honey chaff. Not too many mites, which is good. A little bit of wool. Okay, clean that off. Put that back into place. Alright. So, let's put this back together now, okay? Now I'm going to look for signs of, looks like the queen is up top. The top supers are the most heavy, the top boxes are the most heavy. So, let me see what's going on down here. Alright, so this one's pretty light down here. This is really purpleized. Oh, another bee in my veil. Get her out. I need a new veil because bees are getting in. These frames are really stuck in there, really purpleized. And this looks like it's a pollen one. So they definitely have enough pollen stores. That's good. Pollen's good for brood rearing. Now what I'm looking for is my queen or signs of my queen, which means eggs. So let's see if I can find any of that. This is empty brood comb, more pollen stores. Good. So my queen, I probably won't find her on those frames. This one's empty too. Another empty pollen frame. So I think I'm going to move this up. It's a little bit heavier. This has syrup and pollen. So, lots of pollen. The girls have been very busy collecting pollen. I don't imagine finding my queen on the pollen frames. So again, more pollen. More pollen, more bees. Lots of pollen. They've been bringing in lots of pollen. Okay, I'm ready to see some eggs. This one's really light. This one's empty. Okay. Okay, now we'll put this box back together again. This one's empty. I'm going to move this one up into the top super. This one is empty. So I'm going to move that super squishy bee, you should puff. It releases the smell. It's an alarm pheromone. Put this back together again. That was the bottom one, which is empty. Brood should be on the bottom. Okay, this is the front. Let's see if I can find signs of my queen up in this box. These are glued in pretty tight because I haven't looked at them. Let's move very slowly. So I do see some capped brood here. Developing brood in there. That means my queen was here at least 3 days ago. Yes, more eggs. So yes, she is there. So since I saw eggs, there's a good sign that I could see my queen here somewhere. Because that means she was laying here recently. Quick scan for my queen. She often likes to hide to the dark side, so. Quick scan. I don't see her. This looks like it is storage. I see syrup and some brood and some pollen. Lots of pollen. So I don't see her there. But I did see sign of eggs, so I'm pleased with that. I just want to make sure these queen cups aren't empty. They do seem very calm and they're working, so that usually means that there's a leader present. This is empty as well. Royal jelly, no egg. Okay. I'm just blowing them off. I do see eggs. Great. So my queen was here recently. I don't see my queen. That's alright. As long as I see signs of her, I'm happy. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, so I'm going to button this back up. I'm going to super this as well. That's squishy. Just go slow. Little wiggle. Okay, so at this point I'm just going to button things up. I saw signs of my queen, I saw eggs. I haven't seen any developed queen cells or swarm cells, so I'm happy. So I'm just going to button this back up and super it so make sure they have enough room and leave them alone. Okay. Right, so just added a queen excluder because I'm going to add a super. This will keep the queen from going up into the honey chamber. This on top. This has foundation and a couple drawn frames. Put some drawn frames up at the top that I pulled. Okay. Alright. What's that? That's looking pretty big. Okay. Alrighty. So that's that. April 28th. And a little bit of swarm prevention. Gave them a super real quick so they have room to store. We have the dandelions came up probably within the last week or so, so that is the first flow, the dandelion flow. Flow means that there's a source of nectar, and that means the bees will start collecting that, and if they feel strong enough and big enough, they are going to swarm. But I didn't see any signs of swarming. I did see signs of my queen, but I didn't see her, but I found eggs, so pretty sure she's there. All right, yay! Great to get back in the hive again. All right, see you next time, bye!